Here we are at Jonker 88, and this is the famous Baba jen-dole, one of the traditional jen-dole desserts here. So it's got the pandan noodles, the ice, the coconut milk, and I'm not sure what else this is, but I know this is supposed to be one of the more famous ones, so we're gonna try it out and see. Oh. So this is actually the it tastes like molasses, and or maybe this is the this is the palm sugar that we see sold all over here. So traditional here, very nice. Yeah, you can taste it. It's very good. So it's that with the pandan noodles, the ice, and the coconut. It's enjoyable. It's good for cooling down when it's super hot. Very good. Excellent.